wire nana carrying a current I. This is the wire nana carrying a current I. Okay, both the wires, first wire carrying a current I1, second wire carrying a current I2, separated by a distance is R now. Okay, here yesterday I discussed force between two parallel conductors or two parallel wires. R is the distance between two wires nana. Okay, here first wire carrying a current I1, second wire carrying a current I2. Each wire length is L. Okay, what is the force between two conductors? We know that mu naught I1 I2 L by 2 pi R. What is the, once again repeat, force between two parallel conductors formula? Mu naught I1 I2 L by 2 pi R. Okay, Nana, currents in same direction, current carrying two wires in the same direction, both wires are attractive. Simply look here, this wire name చేస్తుంది attractive force F. This wire name చేస్తుంది attract. Once again I repeat, according to Fleming left hand rule, currents carrying in the same direction, both the wires are attract each other. Simply the distance between the wires is decreased. Okay, next now, for example, in this situation, null point formed between the two wires. Null point means net magnetic field is 0. Here null point to smaller current I1, the distance is x. Null point to larger current, the distance is r minus x. In the situation, directly I give the formula for x. X formula is r by I2 by I1 plus 1. Look here. Already this is derived in the Tuesday class. What is the formula for x, Nana? X formula is r by I2 by I1 plus 1. Here r indicate distance between two parallel wires. R is nothing but the distance between two parallel wires. Here I1 indicate small current, I2 indicate large current. 5 ampere, 3 ampere ఇచ్చాడు. ఫస్ట్ I1 కాదు, I1 is small, 5 3 ఇస్తే I1 is 3, I2 is 5. Okay, here x అంటే ఏంటి? Distance of null point to smaller current. R minus x అంటే distance of null point to larger current. Okay, look here. This is the wire. First wire carrying a current I1, second wire carrying a current I2. Here two wires separated by a distance R. In this situation, both the wires having currents in opposite direction. మరి ఈ సిచ్యువేషన్లో ఫోర్స్కి ఫార్ములా చెప్తారా? ఫోర్స్ బిట్వీన్ టూ ప్యారలల్ కండక్టర్స్, బిఫోర్ ఫార్ములానే, ఫార్ములా డస్ నాట్ చేంజ్. మ్యూ నాట్ I1 I2 L by 2 pi R. What is the question here? Force between two parallel conductors, these two conductors are separated by a certain distance. Here mu naught I1 I2 L by 2 pi r. Force acting per unit length ante this length other side denominator. Force acting per unit length mu naught I1 I2 by 2 pi r. This is the formula for force acting per unit length. Okay, here currents in opposite direction according to Fleming left hand rule, both the wires are repellive. Simply first wire second wire ఏం చేస్తుంది, repels, push away. Second wire first wire ఏం చేస్తుంది, push away. Simply what happens, distance between the wires is increases. In the situation null point formed, currents in opposite direction, null point formed out of the two conductors from smaller current నుంచి ఎంత distance ఉంటుంది, Kailash x. X is the distance of null point to smaller current. What is the formula for x? X is r by, r means distance between two parallel conductors, I2 by I1 minus 1. Look here. Here I1 is always smaller current, I2 is always larger current. ఇంతకీ x అంటే ఏంటి కైలాషు? Distance of null point to smaller current. What is the r plus x nana? R plus x means distance of null point to larger current. Look here. Currents in the same direction. Important concept. Look here now. Important concept. Look here. This is the current wire now, carrying a current I1. Here one rectangular loop is placed. Okay, here its carrying current is I2. Here now carrying a current is I2. Okay, look here. In the situation here to here the distance is A. Wire to other end of the rectangular loop B. Look the diagram. Here to here, what is the perpendicular distance? A. Here to here, what is the perpendicular distance? B. Here rectangular loop length is L. In the situation, the question is force acting on rectangular loop. Once again I repeat, the question is force acting on rectangular loop. Current carrying wire to produce a magnetic field in this wire. Here magnetic field, here magnetic field. Current wire placed in magnetic field, which will be act force. Force formula Bill sin theta. Here also force formula Bill sin theta. Look here. But current directions is opposite, field direction, force direction also opposite. So this wire వల్ల దీని మీద ఏం యాక్ట్ అయ్యింది, ఫోర్స్. దిస్ వైర్ వల్ల ఏం యాక్ట్ అయ్యింది, ఫోర్స్. కరెంట్ ఇన్ ఆపోజిట్ డైరెక్షన్ క్యాన్సిల్ ఈచ్ అదర్. దిస్ ఫోర్స్ కెనాట్ కౌంట్ because current in opposite direction force also opposite direction, these are cancelled. అదేంటి సార్ మరి ఈ రెండు కూడా క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతాయి కదా సార్ అంటే here to here one point I take, the distance is r. Here to here the distance is r. Distance same, force same, both are cancelled. But in this loop, for example, AB, CD. AB is nearer to the wire, CD is far to the wire. Simply here distance is different, so that's why force is different, but magnitude of force is decreased. What is the net force? Look here, net force is force acting on the AB, force acting on the CD. Current direction is opposite here, current wire here. Current is opposite, force also opposite. This is difference. What is the F net? FAB minus FCD. We know that these two are parallel wires. We know that parallel conductor is shown. F formula is, we know that mu naught I1 I2 L by 2 pi r. R means here to here distance is what? A. Minus. Look here. This is the current wire. This is another current wire. These two are parallel. Again, FCD write as mu naught I1 I2 L by 2 pi. Look here. Here to here distance is B. Okay? రెండిట్లో కామన్ ఏంటో చెప్తారా? mu naught I1 I2 L కామన్ by 2 pi కామన్ into 1 by A minus 1 by B. This is the net force acting on the rectangular loop. Net force acting on the rectangular loop.